Hello and welcome to how I weigh my oils.
I see through the light, no more disguise. The scenery's crashing down to let all the truth be found. Didn't belong, had to move on to somewhere that I could be.
So now I'm going to microwave my palm oil and coconut oil. So now I got these warmed up a bit. So now I'm going to add my soft oils.
Spirit's awake, I don't feel the same. So many people here, but somehow they disappear. 'Cause all that I trust to crumble to dust, but finally I can breathe. Open my eyes and see all of the beauty in front of me.
That's the soap of the night. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, Silver Hawk Creations. See ya.